Building your dream physique doesn't have to be complicated. It's about understanding the basics and sticking to a plan that works for you. Whether you're a beginner or have been working out for years, the key is consistency and dedication. You don't need fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships to get started. All you need is the right mindset and a willingness to push yourself beyond your comfort zone. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so let's dive into the steps that will help you achieve that dream body you've always wanted. Follow these proven steps and start your transformation today. Begin by setting clear and achievable goals. What do you want to accomplish? Is it losing weight, building muscle, or improving your overall fitness? Having a clear vision will keep you motivated and focused. Prepare yourself mentally and physically for the journey ahead. Pack your gym bag with all the essentials, and make sure you have a plan for each workout session. Stretching before your workout is crucial to prevent injuries and improve flexibility. It's the small steps that lead to big changes. Decide what you're working toward: lean and shredded, muscular and strong, or overall fitness. Clear goals create focus. Write down your goals and place them somewhere you can see them every day. This constant reminder will keep you on track and motivated. Visualize your success and believe in your ability to achieve it. Your mindset plays a significant role in your fitness journey. Stay positive and determined, and don't let setbacks discourage you. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. A mix of strength training, cardio, and recovery is essential. Strength training helps build muscle and increase metabolism, while cardio improves cardiovascular health and burns calories. Incorporate a variety of exercises to keep your routine interesting and challenging. Don't forget the importance of recovery. Your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. Yoga and stretching can help improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Balance is key to a successful fitness regimen. Train 3-5 times a week based on your fitness level. Consistency is more important than intensity. It's better to have regular, moderate workouts than to push yourself too hard and risk burnout or injury. If you're new to fitness, start with 3 days a week and gradually increase as your endurance improves. Group classes and personal trainers can provide guidance and motivation. Find a workout buddy to keep you accountable and make exercising more enjoyable. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Fuel your body with whole foods, protein-rich meals, and balanced macros. Nutrition is just as important as exercise when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. Focus on eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods that provide the energy and nutrients your body needs to perform and recover. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, so make sure to include it in every meal. Consult with a nutritionist if you need help creating a balanced diet plan. Remember, you can't out-train a bad diet. Eat clean and stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for overall health and performance. It helps regulate body temperature, lubricate joints, and transport nutrients. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active. Eating clean means choosing whole, unprocessed foods over junk food and sugary snacks. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll see better results from your workouts. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Experiment with new recipes and find what works for you. Recovery is as important as your workouts. Taking care of your body after exercise is crucial for long-term success. Use tools like foam rollers to massage sore muscles and improve blood flow. Stretching and yoga can help reduce muscle tension and improve flexibility. Meditation and mindfulness practices can also aid in recovery by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Overtraining can lead to injuries and setbacks, so make recovery a priority. Get 7-8 hours of sleep and listen to your body. Consistency beats perfection. Stick to the basics, track your progress, and celebrate small wins. Sleep is essential for muscle recovery and overall health. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Use a fitness tracker to monitor your activity and progress. Keeping a journal or calendar can help you stay organized and motivated. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Every milestone is a step closer to your goal. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Your dream physique is closer than you think. With dedication, consistency, and the right approach, you can achieve your fitness goals. Stay focused on your vision and keep pushing forward. The journey may be challenging, but the results are worth it. Believe in yourself and your ability to transform your body and your life. Surround yourself with positive influences and stay committed to your plan. Your hard work will pay off, and you'll be proud of what you've accomplished. Stay focused, work hard, and enjoy the process. Fitness is not just about the end result, but also about the journey. Embrace the challenges and learn from them. Find joy in the process of becoming stronger, healthier, and more confident. Celebrate your progress and stay motivated by setting new goals. Remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself. Keep pushing your boundaries and strive for continuous improvement. You've got this. Subscribe to Groom Zen for more fitness and lifestyle tips. Stay connected with our community for ongoing support and inspiration. We're here to help you every step of the way. From workout routines to nutrition advice, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on our latest videos and updates. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to a healthier, happier you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.